Today is World Hand Hygiene Day, a day dedicated to promoting and raising awareness about the importance of hand hygiene. This day is particularly relevant in the current global scenario where the world is still grappling with the COVID-19 pandemic. Hand hygiene is simple but effective way to prevent the spread of infectious diseases. Washing our hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds or using an alcohol-based hand sanitizer can kill germs and viruses that may be present on our hands. Being World Hand Hygiene Day today, we, the Nursing and Infection Control team from Angura Hospital for Women and Children, Pune, presenting a small performance which is going to be focusing on the importance of hand hygiene. Let's have a look. Thank you.
கண்டாரம் முன்னிலும் வச்சனே கதிரோனை கண்ணஞ்சிக்கான் போரும் மச்சானே